Hey, everyone needs a good camping table for their camp. Whether you're upgrading or getting your first one, here's one that I found that I really like. It's right around $50. It's called the Dipper. It's from OneTigris. Let me set it up for you. Set up a few times. It's pretty cool how it all fits in here, right? So you set these legs in here. These catches fit in here to make it more stable. The balls are actually the feet of the table. There are little button catches here that help keep this part together. In here, there are little holes that fit into, there's basically a little button there. You have to feel this to get it done right. Then this net goes in the bottom. There are little hooks here. It also helps keep it stable. And then if you don't set it up on the top, it's a little bit easier. And then this is really simple. Just connects right here. Here. And there. It's a great table, little storage underneath. Definitely recommend it. Used it a few times, and this is going to stay in my arsenal of camping gear. Hope to see you out there.